Alright, so this is just a simple tutorial on how to solve proportions, which, interesting enough, is in the geometry section. So we multiply both sides by t because you can't, you need to turn this into, whenever it has t as either the numerator or the denominator, you need to get rid of it. So in this way, both t's cancel out, and now we have t multiplied by 7/3, and then I'll leave room here for something, equals 4, because when you multiply an equation by the numerator, it just becomes by the denominator, it becomes the numerator. So t and 7/3, I'll do that so you can tell it's not a plus sign. And now let me switch into a different color, and we'll multiply it by 3/7 on each side. Alright, so now this will all cancel out, and we get t equals, and then 4, it's just 4 times 3, so that's 12 over 7. So you can simplify that into decimal form, but or you can just plug it in as that. Generally, if it's a fraction, you want to keep it as a fraction. Alright, so for this one is a lot simpler, actually. We just need to, since p is the numerator, we just have to get rid of the denominator. So both 8's cancel out, and we put another 8 here, because when you multiply it by one side, you need to multiply it by the other. So now we multiply p, or we get p equals 8 times 7 over 9. And now make sure that's a times. And now we multiply that by 9 over 7, since that's the, that's for a different thing. We multiply 8 times 7 over 9, because they're like terms. So then we get p equals, it's a long equal sign, 56/9. So plug it into your trusty calculator, and 56/9, oh, that doesn't work as a decimal, so just keep it in fraction form. Alrighty, do a few more. So this simply asks to solve for y. So as we did a few problems ago, we just multiply both sides by y, because that cancels out this side, so it's just 6. So now we have 6, switch colors, equals 3/11 y. And now all we have to do is multiply this by the reciprocal, and these cancel out, just X them. And now as we bring this down, we get y equals, and we multiply 6 by 11, so it's 66 over 3, which can simplify to, since 3 is a factor in 66, simplifies to 22. So y equals 22. And that's your answer. Alrighty, last one. So this is one of the more simpler ones. So all you have to do is multiply it by 3 on each side, so that you can cancel out y. And then, so that those cancel out, and now you get 18 over 11 equals y. And we can actually just stop there because that's our answer. Alrighty. I sincerely hope that helped you understand how to solve proportions.